Hello friends, today's topic is concept and nature of informal sector. As we know, India is a developing country. This developing country has two major sectors. We call it formal sector and second is informal sector. Today we will discuss the concept and nature of informal sector. First, what are the characteristics of informal sector? I can list down some characteristics of informal sectors. These are as follows. Informal sector has ease of entry. Second characteristic of informal sector is it is reliant on indigenous resources. Third characteristic is family ownership of enterprises. Fourth characteristic is small scale of operations. Fifth characteristic is labor intensive and adapted technology. Sixth characteristic is skill acquired outside the formal education system. And the last one is unregulated and competitive market. Labor relations in informal sectors are based mostly on casual employment, kinship or personal and social relation rather than contractual arrangement with formal guarantee. Informal sector is a heterogeneous sector with both growth oriented and survivor oriented enterprise, the latter being numerically prevalent. What are the main causes of the existence of informal sector? I can give two main causes of the existence of informal sector in Indian economy. The first is inability of the other sectors of economy such as agriculture and other rural activities on one hand and modern industry and service on the other to provide income and employment opportunities to the growing labor force was considered as the main cause of existence of informal sector. The other cause is the introduction of structural adjustment program which were introduced in 1990 by the IMF, which creates jobless growth as the public as well as private sector had to squeeze their employability to maintain competitiveness and cost efficiency. This results in the existence, expansion and permanency of informal sector. In developing countries, informal sector can be considered as a survival mechanism for the poor. According to De Soto, the poor informal producers cannot escape poverty because they cannot mobilize the assets they command. According to him, the assets are frozen as dead capital, which therefore cannot circulate in credit or asset market. The third factor, which is explained by De Soto, was the informal producers deprived of titles to their assets are thus confined to small survivalist livelihood activities and legally barred from becoming vibrant micro entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching my video.